Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about the boobs, the breastises, the girls, tatas, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be talking about my breast augmentation journey. Just kind of been giving you like an update on the breast. Yeah, so if you are against plastic surgery, I don't recommend you watching this video, so just please click out right now. If you want to go see some makeup, go check out my other videos. You can follow me on all my social medias. I'll link them right here. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'll give you some time. Good. Yeah. Okay, now that you're subscribed, welcome to the family. I'm gonna be answering a few questions that you guys have asked me about my breast augmentation. And yeah, I'm gonna spill the tea, sis. I did get a breast augmentation last year, around April. So it's been about April, May, June, July. About 9 months since I got my breasts done. And what do I feel about them? How do I feel about them? I fucking love them, okay? I love my boobs. Like, I don't know, like ever since I got my boobs done, I did gain like a lot more confidence in myself, because I don't know, I feel like I look sexier, I feel sexier, I just like feel like an all-around bad bitch, okay? Period. So I didn't get a size that's too big, and I didn't go too small, because I didn't want to have to like, because they always say that when you get surgery, you always end up wishing that you would have gotten it bigger, or whatever the case may be. I'm happy that I got this size, which is a 32C. It's all about how you feel, like how comfortable you are in your own skin. If you don't feel comfortable, like it shows when you are confident, and it shows when you're not. How does my boyfriend feel about my breast? He will not leave me alone. He loved my boobs beforehand, like before I even got them done. But now that they are bigger and they're like more fuller and all that good stuff, he can't keep his hands off me. And I don't mind. My baby can get some sugar, So yeah, he did not force me to get my boobs done or nothing. He loves my body. He's actually the person that made me start to look at myself and felt like everything. I know people don't think that you should enhance your body, you should love the body God gave you, but let's be honest, we don't all have the best bodies. And if you want to fix it, go ahead and fix it. It's your life, your money, your body, so do whatever the fuck you want with it. That's just how I feel about it. I did get under the, what do you call it, I forgot the term that they use, but my incision was under the breast folds. The next question I got was what size I am right now, or like how many cc's I got. So I used to be a 32A, and now I'm a 32C. So I went up 2 cup sizes, and I did 325 cc's in both. So yeah, 325 cc's, and I'm a 32C, and I got the silicone implants. The silicone, what's the difference between silicone and saline is that the silicone is like filled with like a jelly substance, and then the saline is filled with salt water. So I didn't get saline because I really didn't care about which one. I was open to both. It's just that with saline, you have to have a little bit more weight, or else it will show the ripples and stuff. So because I didn't have enough body fat around my breast, he suggested that, he recommended that I get the silicone, because it's not like as hard around the edges as the saline. Where did I go to get my boobs done? I went to a doctor's plastic surgery, and I actually found them to Aaliyah J's page. I know that she did her boobs, and I wanted to do something in New York because I didn't want to go all the way to Miami or wherever just to get my boobs done, because I'm gonna have to think about flight, I'm gonna have to think about stay, and someone to take care of me. Plus, I had to take my days off just to fly out. And I know, like, if any complications or anything, who's about to go all the way back to Miami just for a consultation or for my doctor to check up on my boobs, because they did not have a facility in New York. I had a few checkups. I had one the day after I got my boobs done, and then I got another one like another month after, and then 2 months or something like that. I had like a few appointments, and my surgery is covered too. It doesn't matter how many appointments or how many visits. I have unlimited appointments for a year. So that was like a bonus for me, because I'm like, I can literally go in whenever I want to. If I have any questions, if I feel any type of way, I can just go back to the office and Gucci's like this is a major surgery, and I'm not trying to get all fucked up. So I was like, let me do it in New York. I know it would have been more money, but at the end of the day, my health is first. So I'll spend the extra bread to do it in my area. How much did it cost? Honey, breast augmentation is not cheap, okay? It is not cheap. So I definitely would advise that you save up, because literally, like, that shit goes up to like $10,000. And when I was looking, I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna wait a few more years until I stack all that money up. But then I started doing a lot more research, and then that's how I found this plastic surgery, because I remember that Aaliyah J did her boobs there, and I don't think she paid that much. I think she did saline, so she paid like $2,500, which is what they pay in like Miami. So I was like, I'm gonna check them out, because her titties look amazing. So yeah, her boobs look mad good. So I was like, you know what, let me go check them out. And yeah, so I know I'm rambling, but I'm gonna get to the point. I'm about to be there, okay? So I paid $5,300 for my breast implants. So I did silicone, 325 cc's. Original cost was $5,900. Yes, it was $5,900, and she gave me a discount because I put $2,000 down, and because I put that money down, she gave me like an extra discount, so she gave it to me. So my pricing was like $5,300, and you have up till 2 weeks until your surgery date for you to pay off the full balance. So you can literally, you know, like set up your appointment, go to your consultation, do all of that. So yeah, as long as you pay all your money 2 weeks before your surgery date, then you are good to go, honey. So recovery. What was the recovery like? Honestly, it was not as bad as I thought. Like, when I actual surgery day, not to like drink anything, not to eat anything, like after nothing past 12 a.m. So you can't eat, you can't do nothing the day before surgery. And you have to wear comfortable clothing, because you know you're not gonna be able to move your arms and stuff like that. So you have to wear comfortable clothing. And then all I remember was laying on the table, and then I was like, I was like seeing like the lights and stuff in the ceiling. I was like, oh my god, I'm really about to do this. And then I like the anesthesiologist or whoever it was, he was like, I'm just gonna give you something to breathe, and then he put it over my face, and like literally I don't remember anything else. All I remember was seeing the lights, and that was it. Like all I remember was her waking me up, or like I think I kind of like woke up, and then she started feeding me like apple juice, and I'm like like I was like thirsty, and I didn't even know like how long it was. It felt like I was out for like 5 minutes, and I honestly didn't even know when I knocked out. Like I told you, all I saw was lights, and that was it. Like I've never been under any type of anesthesia, no nothing. Like the only thing I had was epidural. It wasn't scary at all because I don't know what I expected, but all I remember was just seeing lights, and that was it. And I was like out. But the recovery was not bad at all because I stayed home for like a week, and I stayed home for like an entire week, and I couldn't lift my baby. I couldn't really do much. I couldn't lift anything more than like a gallon of water. They gave me medications. I only took the antibiotics until the bottle was done. Everything else I was not messing with. Like Oxy, they gave you Oxy. They gave you like muscle relaxer. They gave you nausea medicine, and then they gave you the antibiotics. I only took the antibiotics. I wasn't messing with none of them shits because they made me feel horrible. The pain was not that bad. Like it was bearable. The only thing that was really annoying was when like the muscle would tighten, and then it's like an uncomfortable feeling. It's like your chest is like, it's like somebody's like sitting on your chest. Like that's how it feels. But it does go away after like probably like a good month. I was good after like an entire month. The only thing that felt super weird was it was really, really cold during the time that I got my boobs done. So when I was outside, I literally was like, I don't know why, but the cold in my boobs hurt like hell. I don't understand why. I never tried to figure it out. I was just like, you know what? So I think that pretty much wraps up the video. So yeah, let me just show you guys what they're looking like. So that wraps up this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and leave some comments down below if you have any other questions that you'd like me to answer. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.